got a 2017 Toyota Corolla key fob. You need to replace the battery in it. This is how you open it. So flip it over. And when you flip it over, you notice you have this slot right here. That slot is going to help you open it. When you get a small flathead screwdriver, you're going to put it in the slot like this. And just give it a twist. And I'll crack it open, okay? And go around here and gently just open it up. Take this cover off like this. Now when you do this, you want to do this with the buttons facing down, okay? When you go to open it up, you're going to take this part out. When you take this part out, all the buttons are loose, okay? So all these little pins, these buttons, they can all fall out. So we want to keep them in their spot, so keep the buttons facing down, okay? Here is actually where all the battery and all the circuits are at. They're in here. And these tabs are the locking tabs that hold this whole thing close together, okay? So you're gonna get your screwdriver and gently put it in here and unlock all these, okay? To go around, and if you have two screwdrivers, it'll probably help you out because you can stick one in and do it on a table, and you're gonna kind of have to hold it unlocked, okay? It can be kind of tedious. So I'm kind of holding this with my two fingers. I'm trying to like pry it open and then hold it open with my fingers. I don't know if that makes any sense or not, but I'm holding it right here. And I'm just working my way around the best I can to get it to open, okay? So yeah, if you have two screwdrivers, you can stick one in and leave it, and then work your way around. That'll probably help you out, but you can do it with one. Slowly open this guy up. You can see how it's starting to open like this. Okay. Go back to this side because he's locked up on me. Gently open it up, and then you can just go ahead. Once you get them, most of them undone, you can open it up. Here's where your battery is at. Okay, so there's a slot right down here that you can use your screwdriver to pry the battery up. Just like that. Now the battery size is a CR 2016. If you need one, I'll have a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up. When you get your new one, you're gonna put it in here like this, slide it in. This is the contact right here on top. It kind of lays against it, okay? Not on top of it. It kind of lays on the side of it, the battery. Then it'll lock back in. Go ahead and get your cover. Snap everything back together. Get your remote, put it on here. Snap this on. And you're good to go. Your remote's all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. If you could hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and be so kind to subscribe. Hope to see you again in another Toyota video.